Is this a problem you face when you travel? Do you have limited trunk space, as I do? It's so frustrating, but I believe I have a solution. I'm testing the Black Voyage Zephyr 60-liter vacuum seal backpack to see if I can pack 4 days of winter clothes into one carry-on. In this Black Voyage Zephyr 60-liter review, I push the compression technology to the limit. I test the vacuum seal against thick shirts, jeans, socks, and everything I need for a cold climate to see if it actually creates more room. I also cover the essential features like the TSA lock and the massive tech compartment. Top 5 key features. 1. Vacuum compression saves up to 57% of space. 2. TSA approved lock for security. 3. Large laptop and tablet compartment. 4. Hideaway straps for checking bags. And 5. Hidden back pocket for valuables. The Black Voyage Zephyr 60L definitely passes the family road trip test. It turned a bulky pile of winter clothes into a compact carry-on. The vacuum seal worked excellently, and the compression held tight for the entire drive. It didn't lose any of its seal. I was able to reduce the size of the carry-on so it would fit easily in the trunk with the space I had available. If you're tired of playing Tetris with your car's trunk, this backpack solves the problem. Investing in this Black Voyage Zephyr travel backpack is absolutely worthwhile. If you need travel hacks to maximize your packing space, watch this test before you buy. If you found this review helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more no-nonsense gear reviews. Ready to stop fighting for space in your car's trunk? Click the link down in the description to grab your own Black Voyage Zephyr 60-liter today and make your next trip a whole lot easier.